The human kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining overall health, silently performing functions that sustain life. Integral to the urinary system, these organs filter waste from the blood, regulate blood pressure, and ensure the body's fluids are balanced. Early detection of kidney troubles can substantially mitigate the risk of progression into chronic kidney disease or renal failure. Recognizing early warning signs is fundamentally important. This guide aims to highlight 8 significant symptoms indicating potential kidney distress, aiming to empower individuals with the knowledge to seek timely medical intervention. Kidneys are sophisticated organs tasked with essential functions that impact the entire body. Primarily, they remove toxins and excess fluids from the blood through urine production, help regulate blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and support the production of red blood cells. Understanding how kidneys work provides valuable insight into recognizing when they may not perform optimally. Considering the complexity of these functions, it's evident that maintaining kidney health is vital for overall well-being. Familiarity with the basics of kidney function can serve as a foundation for recognizing signs of trouble early on. Don't wait for your body to shout for help when it has been whispering warnings all along. If you recognize any of the signs detailed in this guide, it's time to take action. Schedule a visit with your healthcare provider to discuss your symptoms and consider a kidney function test. Remember, the power to safeguard your health is in your hands. Start today. Pay attention to your body's signals and don't hesitate to seek expert advice. Your kidneys work tirelessly for you. It's time to return the favor by listening closely to what they might be trying to say. Sign number 1. Changes in urination patterns. Changes in urination could be one of the earliest signs of kidney distress. These might include an increased frequency of urination, especially at night, or experiencing difficulty or discomfort when urinating. The appearance of urine can also signal kidney issues. For instance, urine may become foamy if there is protein in it, or darker in color if it contains blood or has concentrated waste products due to decreased kidney function. Paying attention to these changes is crucial, as they can be early indicators of kidney dysfunction that warrants further investigation. Sign number 2. Swelling in specific body parts. Swelling, particularly in the feet, ankles, and hands, can be a telltale sign of compromised kidney function. When kidneys are unable to adequately remove excess fluid from the body, this fluid can build up in tissues, leading to uncomfortable swelling. This symptom not only causes discomfort, but can also be a visually alarming indication that the kidneys are struggling to maintain the body's fluid balance. Early identification and treatment of the underlying kidney issues can help manage and alleviate this swelling. Sign number 3. Extreme fatigue and general weakness. Kidneys produce a hormone called erythropoietin, EPO, that signals the body to make red blood cells. When kidney function is impaired, they make less EPO, leading to a decrease in red blood cells, a condition known as anemia. This can cause fatigue and general weakness because the body's cells are getting less oxygen than they need to function properly. It's an insidious symptom because while it's pervasive, it's often attributed to busy lifestyles or aging. Recognizing this fatigue as a potential sign of kidney trouble can prompt early diagnostic tests and intervention. Sign number 4. Dizziness and trouble concentrating. Anemia linked with kidney dysfunction can also manifest as dizziness and difficulties in concentrating. A shortage of oxygen-carrying red blood cells means the brain may not receive the oxygen it needs, leading to cognitive impairments like memory problems, trouble concentrating, and dizziness. These symptoms can significantly impact daily life, serving as a hidden warning of kidney health issues. Prompt recognition and action can help address these symptoms, enhancing the quality of life and potentially halting further kidney damage. Sign number 5. Skin rash or itching. Kidneys remove waste from the bloodstream. When they fail, buildup of waste in your blood can cause severe itching and skin rashes. This condition, not relieved by standard remedies or ointments, indicates that the issue lies deeper than the skin's surface. The persistent itch and rash are signs of the internal environment's distress, pointing towards underlying kidney issues that need attention. Addressing these symptoms early can improve comfort levels and potentially slow the progression of kidney damage. Sign number 6, metallic taste in mouth and bad breath. When kidneys are unable to filter and remove waste products adequately, a metallic taste in the mouth and persistent bad breath may occur. This is due to a buildup of toxins and waste in the bloodstream known as uremia. Eating becomes less enjoyable, and there may be a significant change in how things taste. This symptom, while less direct, can significantly affect an individual's quality of life and is indicative of the need for a kidney function evaluation. Sign number 7, feeling cold most of the time. Kidney disease can cause people to feel colder than usual, primarily due to anemia. With insufficient red blood cells to carry oxygen throughout the body, metabolism can slow down, leading to a persistent feeling of being cold, particularly in the extremities. This chilliness can be more pronounced in environments that others find comfortable. Being consistently colder than others under normal conditions could signal kidney health issues, prompting further investigation. Sign number 8, shortness of breath. Difficulty breathing can be related to kidney issues in 2 ways. First, extra fluid in the body can build up in the lungs, and second, anemia deprives your body of enough oxygen, which can make you feel short of breath. This symptom can be particularly distressing, significantly impacting daily activities and overall quality of life. It's a potent reminder of the kidney's role in maintaining the body's balance and the importance of addressing any dysfunctions early.